What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to another adventure.
Some of you may have heard or even noticed that recently we have gone through some major changes.
We moved houses.
But before we show you around, cue that intro. Right before COVID-19 hit, literally like 1 week before, we have cleared escrow and given keys to the new place.
And here are the keys to your new home.
All right, here we go.
Only about 9 blocks from where we used to live, we moved into a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. Close to a lot of my friends.
And before we give you the grand tour, let's take a look at the events leading up to our new home.
First, we got to pack up our old house. After we all got done with going through our toys and clothes, we were able to donate 1 truckload to the Salvation Army and to Goodwill.
Then we went shopping for new furniture at Living Spaces.
Living Spaces.
Here we spent a total of 6 long hours picking out furniture. Boring. But the staff there was amazing. We got free cookies and drinks. And then it was finally moving day. Moving trucks came and helped us move some of the things from our old house, while other trucks came and delivered some of the new stuff.
And of course, we helped them along the way. Duh, look at these muscles. And then voila, we were done.
The living room. The dining room. Gianna's room. Gianna in my bathroom. My room. The kitchen. The back family room. Mom and Matt's room. Mom and Matt's bathroom and closet. The office. The guest studio room. The backyard.
Until the next adventure. Stay safe, everybody, and remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?